So first of all, to download Unity engine, open up your browser and search Unity, download Unity Hub. So click on this first link, which is unity3d.com/get-unity/download. So on this page you can find the download button to download Unity Hub. You can also download Unity directly, but Unity Hub will help us to manage our projects and other Unity versions very easily, which I will show you in a moment. So click on this download Unity Hub button and download Unity Hub. So it is as simple as downloading and installing any other software. So it should be pretty straightforward. So download Unity Hub. After downloading Unity Hub, it will look like this. Your projects feed would be empty because you would have not created any projects. So we will quickly talk about some tabs. So here it is a Learn tab. So here there are lots of tutorials which you can watch from Unity, and this is a community, forums and blogs, and here it is installs. So here we can download different Unity versions. Currently I have downloaded 2019.4.20 F1 LTS. This LTS means long-term support. So whenever we download any version, it is recommended to download LTS version so that we don't face any difficulties in future. We will download a new version in a moment, but first of all we have to do some necessary things. So first of all we have to generate a license. So click on this settings button, and then here you can click on license management. I have already activated a personal license, but you would not have this. So you have to log in your Unity account to generate license. So click on login. So it will prompt you to the Unity Hub sign in. So here you can sign in with your email and password. If you haven't created a Unity ID yet, so click here, create one, and you can create it easily. It is as simple as creating any Gmail account. So once I will log in, then we will continue. So I have logged into my Unity account. So from here we can click on activate new license. Here we can choose either Unity Personal or Unity Pro. For this series, the personal would be more than enough. If you are running any enterprise or big company which is making more than $100,000 per year, then you have to take subscription of Unity. But in our case, it is fine to download Unity Personal, and from here it will ask for these two options. So just click on this. I don't use Unity in a professional capacity, or if you use it for a professional capacity, then click on this first option and hit on done. I have already activated my account, so that's why I'm not going to do it again, but you have to just click on done and your license will be created. So after doing that, you would be able to download new Unity versions. So here click on install tab, and from here we can add new Unity versions. So click on add button here, and it will ask you to download any of these versions. So these are official releases, and these are alpha releases, and early versions of Unity which are in testing mode. So it is recommending us to download this LTS version, which is long-term support version. So we will click on next, and from here, if you have not installed any IDE on your computer, then click on this. It will download Microsoft Visual Studio Community Edition 2019. You can also use VS Code with Unity, but for this series we will use Visual Studio. So go ahead and download this. Click on this checkbox, and we will be making this game for Android, so we need to install Android build support. So expand this and make sure you have selected these checkboxes: Android SDK and NDK tools and OpenJDK. So your selection should look like this. So if you are done, then you can hit on next, and it will ask us for accepting terms and conditions. So go ahead and read these terms and conditions and click on next, and you will be able to download. It will take some time to download this Unity version on your computer. After downloading this, we will be able to create new projects. I have already this version 2019.4.20 F1, which is fine because our game is not very complicated, so the version will not matter that much, so you can download any version. So now we will click on Projects tab, and from here we will create new project. So click on New, and then it will ask us to create either 2D or 3D, or there are many other options like Universal Render Pipeline, which is not the topic of this video. So we will be making a 2D game, so click on 2D, and from here we can name our project. So this will be an endless runner game. So go ahead and name. You can name it whatever you want. I will name it endless runner Android, and you can save your project anywhere. I am going to save it in F drive and in Unity projects 3D folder. Actually, you can save it anywhere you want. So go ahead and click on create, so it will create a new project.